Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for GLMR. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high on the candle closes here. Now let's hop to the weekly. So here on the weekly we can see more clearly how price reacted to this monthly level, acting as support and resistance. Now we can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high on the candle closes, which is obvious to spot here on the chart. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level here where we have multiple reactions acting as support. And if we look at our most recent price action, we notice a key level here where price acted as support and resistance. We also notice a key level right here, where price acted as support with multiple reactions before price broke through, now acting as resistance. Now, at our more recent price action, we notice a key level of support, where we have multiple reactions acting as support. Now, if price breaks through, we'll expect it to pull back and retest the level before further downside, or if price reverses from this level, we will expect a reaction from this key level here. So we also notice a key level right here where price came down, reversed, hit, and reversed drastically, marking this a key level of resistance. So zooming out of our chart, with all the price action we see here on the weekly chart, these are all of our key levels plotted. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.